Good evening. Thanks for being with us. I'm Brian Yacono.
And I'm Amanda Hill. Leaders in the town of Lisbon say they have done what they can to help residents stuck on a dead-end road now blocked by construction. Those residents are doing a lot of walking this week.
As News Center Maine's David Guilford reports tonight, some people feel the town could have done more to offer solutions.
What do towns do when a road absolutely has to be fixed? And what does a neighborhood do on the other side?
We have to walk home this time, but...
And how long is the walk?
About a mile.
Hannah and Tom are getting their steps in. This is life for the next 3 days for those who live on the Bowdoin side of this bridge that connects Bowdoin to Lisbon.
So it's kind of annoying.
Yeah, dog food delivery is supposed to happen.
Yeah.
I got meds from the VA. They were supposed to come tomorrow that aren't coming.
Lisbon owns the bridge and is putting in a temporary replacement. During a 3-day construction, no cars can cross, leaving residents to coordinate their week.
Luckily, we have 3 cars, so we can park 2 down here. We have 1 to shuttle.
The bridge is open to foot traffic. Some parked a car on the open side to walk to. By noon, one of the workers said they had stopped to let some 50 people walk across.
We understand that this is an inconvenience and a disruption to their lives.
Lisbon Town Manager Glenn Michalowski said a nearby farmer graciously offered their field to park cars, but with all the summer rain, they pulled back, and the town relayed the message Friday.
Yeah, it's an inconvenience, and I can understand it needs to be done, but I wish that the parking thing was a little bit more thought through for the people that have to work.
Michalowski said the farmer opened space near their barn instead, but by then, residents felt they were left without many options.
No one really knew what that was going to look like going into this morning.
Josh Gothier made it to work in Lewiston, thanks to a ride. Well, he said some family had to take unpaid days off, and some folks who don't need to go anywhere right now aren't.
Like I say, I'm retired, so I can do that easily compared to these other people who had to rearrange their life a little bit.
The temporary bridge is still expected to open on Wednesday, but with storms expected in the forecast, the residents we spoke with are concerned that could get pushed back. On the Lisbon-Bowdoin line, David Guilford, News Center, Maine.
Lisbon residents will vote in November on a permanent replacement for that bridge.